So good morning everybody, my name is Louis.
Hello, I'm Gerald.
Today we are going to introduce you our new Topaz Opera range and its functionalities, the way it works and how you can use this oven.
So we have two models, I would like to say two range. One is a short 400 by 600 and one is long 400 by 800, and on each range we have two models, 4 trays or 10 trays.
Let's have a look at the inside. So as you can see here we have 10 trays and 10 shelves. So you can see the shelves are quite easy to remove. They are separated by 75 centimeters.
No, 90.
By 90 centimeters, and you can adjust them every 64. So here you can adjust them. So let's have a look on how it functions.
So we have two fans, more or less it will be 19 kilowatts with electric resistance here around. The fan is blowing on this way, blows on the door, and then you can see on the edge of the oven you have holes into the perforated grills, and the air, the cool air I would like to say, will go back on the back of the oven and coming back. Also, the fan is going to work 1 minute this way, 1 minute the other way. So it will create a very good airflow into the oven. That's why you have a perfect baking from the rear to the front of the oven, from the bottom to the top.
Let's have a look at the maintenance. You can very easily clean the glass without any tools. You just need to open it. Just press here and press here. So you can clean the glass without any tools. You can open it easily, anyone can do it. You can also change the lights. Here you have two sets of lights. And it's
So here the control panel, the easy touch is a switch off. If you want to see how it's working exactly, I invite you to check on the video on the link of the description. So what we are going to do here is just a little presentation of the function very quickly. So of course you can select different language, French, English and Italian. We are going to take the English one. Then you have recipes, more than 50 different recipes, and there is a 7 from the factory. Here is to start the oven. There is a preheating that you can shorten, and then you have the baking time that you can change also, and also here. So you can do anything you want. You can also change the steam injection if you want to inject different times, or a last of injection which is different. You can also add some additional baking time. You can have eco mode here, the lights of the oven, and the expert mode as well, and the extraction of the wood. So we have a device inside the oven which it will allow you to bring some extra air from inside. This device is named the thin crust system. So you can action it during the baking here, and you open the damper here to bring an amount of fresh air into the oven. So we are going to create a new airflow. And this airflow, it will help you to dry the product and create a little thin crust around the product, like for example the macaroons. Also, for next month, we will have a pack available, which will be a pastry pack. So you have the thin crust system, the speed variator integrated into the Easy Touch, and electronic damper. For option and accessories, you have the hood with extraction, as this one, and also you can have a hood with condensing units, which will turn the smoke into water, and the smoke will be drained into the main drain with the used water.